We are back, and we just got our food. As you can see, nice presentation. You know, with the pretty little kids meal. Um, Steak looks a little overdone, but that's actually how I like my steak. So, ups to the chef. Hash browns I can say are a little, you know what I'm saying, too moist on the inside. I don't know how to explain it, but it like gets to the point where it's a little mixy. But hey, I'm waiting for my boy Burger to come out. See how his burger look. They put tomatoes on him. He don't like tomatoes, so we'll see. Hey, not do this at home. Cholesterol. I just love something. Ketchup, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we about to dig in there more. Thank you, man. For some reason, the steak has a weird but yet good, like sweet taste to it. I don't know, I'm like adding extra salt right now. I kind of like it, but then I don't. Not too bad. Well cooked. You gotta get that ketchup. Now we looking at my man Burger. My man said it's a little sloppy. Fries look plain. Yeah, it's a no-go on the. It's a no-go definitely on the French fries. Man look like he enjoying his though. So this is us. Ihop, come get you some. Yeah.